Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair and I'm going to show you this Chalet. It's a 2017 1935. It's an XL, so it actually has this front bridge port on it. We're going to go ahead and look around the outside real quick. It has great storage across the back. It kind of has a little fold-up bathroom in there. I want to show you a little bit about it, but let's go ahead and walk around. You got space for your batteries here up front. You got your fridge porch, your water heater. It is fairly new. It is a pre-owned piece of inventory here. It's very clean and well kept. You have your outdoor shower there. Big storage area across the back. Lots of room in there. You just kind of come around the back here. Let's go ahead and jump inside. We'll take a look. So as you make your way in here, you can tell it's really tall with this front bridge port area as an A-frame. It is very large and spacious inside this unit. Here's your front kitchen area. You have your cooktop here. You have your sink and your counter space and a stove. The spare tire is here on the ground. You're going to have your little furnace and AC here. As you make your way around, you're going to have the furnace on this side, a dinette that makes into a bed, and then you have your rear bed. Now this is actually a bathroom, believe it or not, in this little guy. And it's going to take a little bit of work to set it up, so I just want to kind of open it up and show you what it looks like inside. But you can, as you can tell, it does take a little bit of love to set up. But there is a shower and a bathroom right here that kind of sets up, and you got to put up all the walls to be able to fully operate it. And that's what's great about Guaranty. We will actually give you a class upon purchasing anything. We'll give you a class and a walkthrough with a technician to show you how any of your appliances work, to set this up, put it down so you can see it. Right now it's down, so it feels a lot larger in here. Kind of depending on where you go camping too, whether or not you need facilities or not. So a lot of times this might not even be put up. My name is Captain Kirk. My personal cell phone is 541-601-8742. I'm happy to help you. Looking forward to any way that I can help you here at Guaranty RV. Thank you.